Hey guys, my name's Jack. I'm one of the instructors here at DirtFish Rally School, and today I get to give you a lap of my favorite track out here, which is the grid. So we saved this for the second half of day 2 of our 3-day program, and we're really throwing you into the deep end on this. We're putting together all of the techniques that we've learned over the previous couple of days, putting them all into one high-paced course. So it's fast, it's technical, there's not a lot of downtime in between corners, so we need to be keeping our vision up and adjusting on the fly. Alrighty, let's go for it. So, first gear on the throttle, up to second, keeping nice and warm. To the right. Braking early, keep my eyes focused doing it. Turn, side weight transfer, and let that go to the front. Towards the exit. Catch the slide, gentle throttle, help pull away. Now nice and early, we can see that surface. Slip the right hand down. Let the tarmac, the car has the tendency to break loose. Once it's straight, get back to throttle. Then up to the car down, back straight again. Hip braking, so you're turning in, having second again, so a little bit of risk on the way in. Your left hand, looking for a late apex line. Braking heavily into the drop, turning in early, being patient, what's coming through. Lift, turn over the top of the hill, keep your eyes forward and right, looking for a straight lane. Left hand. Braking nice and early, turning in, let that car just step this way. And we shut down. Alrighty guys, that's a lap here of the grid at DirtFish Rally School. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. Hope to see you out here next time, alright?